You see videos like this and videos like this, they are blowing up people's channel. Like, a lot of people are getting 2 million views, 4 million views, 10 million views on videos like this, and people are wondering, how are they able to do this? How did they do it? A lot of people don't know how to do it, but one good thing is that this thing is super easy. Like, it is very, very easy to edit, easier than you think. So today on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you will be able to edit this perfectly, like a pro. You don't need any experience. This is easy. It is what everyone can do. Almost everyone can do it. Okay, so stay with me. All you need is just your Grok, your image, and your Grok app. You can also add ChatGPT or Gemini, anyone, but you can also do it with Grok app. You don't really need much. Okay, so first of all, the first thing you do is to take a picture of your image. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so you see how I did mine. Okay, so first of all, you take a picture of the image that you want. You can see, first of all, I used a container image here. That's what I use. I placed it very well. So before you take this image, you already have in mind what you want that image to do. Like, that will enable you to know how to know the exact place to place the picture. As you can see, this container, I placed it on my bed because I don't really have much to tell it. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I placed it on my bed and took a nice and clear picture of the image. Then I did that on ChatGPT. You can also do it on Grok and Gemini, like I said before. It is just the same thing. Just give them the same command. So I went to ChatGPT and said to ChatGPT, I first uploaded the image. You click on that icon, upload the image, and then tell it what you want to do. Your own can be 2 legs, anything, 2, whatever, or 1 or 3, depending on what you want the image to do for you. Alright, so it says here lots of people are creating right now, so this might take a bit. Okay, so we'll wait. After creating image, you click on the image. This is the image that we have now. Then you click on the icon. You can see image saved. Okay, so that is it for ChatGPT. If you still want to use another image, for those of you doing lifestyle content, this is going to blow up your channel, believe me. If you want to still create another image with it, you can upload another image, give it a different prompt, that's a different instruction. It will still generate it for you. You save the image. Let's generate another image using Grok. Okay, so I said here, I uploaded this image. I opened my Grok app, uploaded this image, and I said to it, maintain this image and generate it with 2 orange tiny legs. You can give it any color you want, anything you want. Okay, so this is the image. One thing with Grok is that it will always generate 2 images for you, so you are meant to choose the one that you want. Okay, once you choose the one that you want, if you want to animate it into a video immediately, you can click on the video sign. If not, see the video sign here, you can click on it. It will take you directly to the animate image space where you can just give it any prompt you want. Maybe like make the image walk, make the image run. Since it already have legs, you can do it right away. Otherwise, you can save the image depending on the purpose of the image. Okay, and one thing with Grok is that it will always generate its own video for you. Okay, for me, sometimes I prefer to wait. Yes, I prefer to wait for it to generate the video, because sometimes the video rhymes with what I have in mind, or if I don't really have anything in mind to tell it to do with the image, I can still wait for it to generate its own image. Who knows, I might like it. But then if you already have something in mind to tell Grok, you type it while it's generating its own video. You quickly type your own prompts. Okay, once you type your own prompts, it will cancel the one that it is generating and start generating your own. All right, so you wait. It's going to count from 0% to 100%. After generating the image, you wait. So this is it. It has generated it. Although you change the image, it's twisted it. Okay, but that's all right. At least that's an example of what you can do. If you are into lifestyle content, this is for you. Okay, so even if you don't like what it generated, you can still give it another prompt. Just twist your words, give it another prompt and tell it to generate it like this, like that. At least before you could generate up to 3 videos, you will be able to have what you want. And one good thing with this Grok is that if you are on free version, you have 10 free videos daily. 10 free videos daily, and each video is 6 seconds. Okay, so after generating it, once it's okay with what you want, all you need to do is to go combine all the videos with your favorite app, maybe CapCut, InShot, UCut, whichever one that you are using. All right, so one thing you should have in mind in this is to have a purpose before you take your picture. have the video that you want in mind. It will help you to enable you to know how you will take your picture. All right, it is very easy. Okay, I hope this video helps someone out there. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.